Many years ago, a family of three moved from a small town of Himachal Pradesh to City of Dreams, Delhi. A young single mother shifted base with her two toddler sons with a dream of providing them a decent education and a good life and make them responsible human beings of this country. The lady had lost her husband in 1983 in a military training exercise. The officer was a brave infantry soldier, a gallantry award winner of 1971 India-Pakistan war. The lady, when she lost her husband, had two choices: either to stay back in that small town, accepting life as it came, or move to a much bigger city, face her challenges, overcome her fears, and raise her kids single-handedly. She chose the latter as her dreams were much bigger than anything else. On reaching Delhi, she got her sons enrolled in a good military school. I strongly believe that the character of a person develops at an early age, and the surrounding in which they grow up influence it. As the kids grew up in a military environment, they imbibed strong values of patriotism and developed a liking for the forces. Let's fast forward to 1998. The two toddlers had grown up into young adults. Younger of the two had cleared his entrance exams of engineering and had also cleared his National Defense Academy exam. He expressed his desire to join the NDA, a logical step to join the forces, but his mother, for all her valid inhibitions and fear, was not very happy with the idea. So she asked her son to finish his engineering first and then decide what to do. Like an obedient son, he agreed to. For the next 4 years, he got busy with his engineering studies, and thought of joining the army never came to him. It's 2002 now. He was in his final semester of his engineering college. One day, as he was relaxing in his hostel room, one of his friends called him up and said, "Bhai, campus mein fauj aayi hai." He was surprised and taken aback, as this had never happened before in the history of the college, that army had come to the college for placement. Was this his true calling to don the olive greens? The dilemma of occupation choosing you or you choosing the occupation. Now, this boy had two choices: either to take a safe corporate job with good growth potential and pay package, or join the armed forces, be a proud soldier, and serve the nation as his father did. He chose the latter and gave his passion and dreams a chance. What I'm trying to drive here is that in life, many a times you will be at crossroads and you will face two options. It will be difficult to choose, as both the choices will look right. But my advice to you is follow your heart. You may be wrong, but you will not regret कि लाइफ में अगर ये कर लिया होता तो जिंदगी कुछ और होती. In life, we give lot of importance to our destiny and we let destiny overpower our dreams. But what makes life truly worthy is when we grab our opportunities and create our own destiny.